welcome back. We are live again, but we're not playing Piggy. We're playing mm2 with the same boy, my homie Jackson 5-25. I'm going to be giving him some knives, cause my inventory is just too god tier. Oh, that guy died. Okay. Oh, that lag spike. I'm trying to find him. Yikes. Okay, so, I'm about to die. Yep. Watch this, I'm about to explode the killer, because I like doing that. Died. Killer is blonde hair and blue jacket. Killer is blonde hair, blue jacket. Okay, I'm just back to my boy. I'm not seeing him in spectating. Oh. He's wearing the bunny costume. He's wearing the bunny costume from Piggy. We're both big Piggy fans. What does he have? Combat, Splat, 2 statics, a soda, gifts. Okay. Alright, trade my boy. I can't open my Gatorade. Ow, my hand. I'll give you a Doge. I'll give you Xbox, cause sometimes he plays on that. Just kidding. He watches my videos on Xbox. I'll give him borders. I'll give him a pet, cause you know me. You know me. Come on, boy. Okay, you just got that stuff, right? Alright, let's see. Okay, yeah, I don't have 2 stone anymore. Well, let's see his inventory. Let's see how spicy his inventory is. Oh, it's so juicy. Hold on. Let's do another round. Get this Gatorade open! My hands are all buttery from eating popcorn earlier. Yeah, I know, I'm a fatty. 8% chance. But it's a pretty high percent chance. Only for my second round. We'll get you. Yeah. Kill. My goodness. That Rona. No, Jackson, nope. He's about to die. Oh, I can trust him, you know. I mean, it's not like he's a murderer, right? He's been out of school for 3 days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And today's Monday and he wasn't at school. He said he's coming to school tomorrow. And if he does, I got some stuff I want to give him. Because, you know, he's a good friend. Respects me. He calls me fat every now and then, you know. The cool stuff, you know. You know, he's never too mean. He calls me fat all the time. But, hey. I'm not fat, bro. I'm a twig. But, hey, I don't care what he calls me. Because we all know that we're joking. You hear that? You hear that, tissues? You hear that? Oh, get the juice. Oh, man, my guy needs some WD-40 after that. Okay, I'm in O, by the way. I'm in O. Bro, like half the server is gone. I can't find them. Bro, my ping is, I don't know what my ping is. Okay, yeah, I have suspicious. $10. I'm gonna just get some coins. Okay. If I was murdered, I'd be like, everybody would be dead. Probably at the start of the round, I would probably just would have been body people. We all would have been bodied, stuffed in the back. You know, okay, I'm lagging. Yay. Okay, it's Bacon Girl. Bacon Girl. Jackson? Oh, thank God it's not you. Okay, it's someone with the fire effect. I know that for a fact. Don't tell me he just... Yep. Oof. Okay, I mean, I don't know what there's good to trade. How much coins do I have? Only 476. Psych! I might give it to him. Chat, should I give it to him? I don't know. Trying to find the, what's it called? Musical. Oh, there it is. Alright. There. That's 8 free knives. There, that's 8 free knives. Where's he at? Where's my boy Jack boy? NP. I can't open this! My gator ball's stuck. Oh! Bro uses see ya. Matrix by nothing. $10 to disappear. I'm gone. Not simple. Oh. Bro, it's a simple F. Like F. Takes 10 years to close though. Okay, when you try your best and you don't succeed. Yeah! Don't kill me! I jumped on his head. Don't hurt me. Please. Oh, I'll be obese. How about that? He doesn't know where I am. Dude, I swear. Don't kill me. Actually, yeah, just chase me around. I guess a chance to give me some free coins, you know. Tim! Don't hurt me! Don't stay still. Okay, I don't know if he wants to kill me. We shot 1v1 at the end of the round. $10, watch this. It goes over 40. Look those coins. It goes to 50 because I'm an elite member. Please, I'm just a little boy. You know, little purple skinned boy. You know, just trying to collect coins for his father Thanos. You know? Alright, I'm at max coins. Like around 500 coins now. 526, yeah. Bro. Oh, that was cool. Bro, get it right. It is not a piggy head. It's a bunny head. No. Brother! It's a bunny head. It's a bunny head. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no. Okay, I was trying to type in chat. He's a big piggy fan. You know, I support him. I support him. My stream supports him. Like, come on. My stream supports him. Oh. Bro, you're not gonna use your new knives? Like, me, okay, probably wasn't expecting to be. She wants to team with me? We have the Losers Club. Hold on. 1, 2, join the team. We're the proper idiots. That was my club in 5th grade. Oh my God. Oh, that was a clean juke. Even better juke. Oh, I'm gone. Oh, shoot. Sheriff popping off. This is my new whip. This is my new whip. Oh my gosh, the jukes, I swear. Dude, I swear the jukes, I'm just too good. Okay. Sugar, yes ma'am. Going backwards. Whoa. Does Jackson know about the secret room? Apparently does not. Oh, yes. Alright, You're on team. You're on team. Hold on, I gotta put my new. We're matching guns and knives. He's on team. Oh! Wait! Oh, she chucked the knife. Wait, Jackson? Jackson? Is my boy alive? Did she kill Jackson? I shall shoot. That's right, back up. Oh, you got lucky that time. Nice throwing skills. Nice throwing skills.